Yesterday we improved the way the to-do items were displayed in the command line. You remember there was a break line between the to-do items. So I showed you two ways to remove that break line. One way was to create a list comprehension. So that is a list comprehension. The list comprehension went over each of the items and it removed that break line. So the \n is a break line. And that is the syntax for a list comprehension. But then I also showed you a better way to remove that break line without having to create a list comprehension. And that was to remove the break line using a strip method. So that meant we didn't have to iterate over the items in a list comprehension, since we are already iterating here. So why not doing two things in one loop? So here we print out those items, but before we print them out, why not just stripping them from the break lines? So that was what we did yesterday. Often there are different ways to do something, but as a programmer, slowly you will understand which way to pick. You'll see which makes the code more readable and which adds redundancy to your code. And redundancy is not a good thing. So you'll get that with experience. Yep, let's move on to the next videos of today. I'll see you in the next ones.